Shibarium this week. What is it going to mean for Shiba Inu? How much can Bone realistically move on the back of the Shibarium launch? Remember, the native gas token of the network. Well, we're going to break it all down in this video. Do we see a $10 Bone? Could Shiba Inu realistically get to $1? Well, I'm going to talk about it all in this video. So if that's something you like and you want to stay up to date with what is going on in the cryptocurrency markets, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, turn that notification bell on. You'll know when we go live, upload our newest content. Also, we got a fantastic trading competition going on with MEXC. $8,000 that you could walk away with as part of that prize pool. Check it out. Link in the description, top pin comment, all of that good stuff. Let's dive into exactly what is going on. So like we said, we got the news from the official SHIB sources. Attention SHIB Army, we're thrilled to announce that the Shibarium public beta will be launching this week. Now, Wednesday at the time of recording this video, we're expecting it in the next couple of days. People getting pretty excited. People absolutely are ready for this to come out. Now, what we are seeing though, is we saw Bone go on a rampage on the back of that announcement. Likewise, Shiba Inu starting to move absolutely out of kilter with the rest of the market as people totally buy into the vision of this. Now, remember, this is a big thing. This has been something that people have been waiting for the longest time. It brings real utility, a layer 2 solution to the Ethereum blockchain, all under the SHIB token ecosystem. Pretty exciting. Now, if we take a look at exactly what's going on the price action for the day, we can see a big, strong green candle, 2.6% up on the day. You can see a lot of red out there. Interestingly, Bone pulled back 2.69, but did, like we said, have a big run up all the way up to $1.87 on the back of that news. Now, as we take a look at exactly what's going on, what are people talking about? Well, we've seen a 9% decline in the Shiba Inu token, but we are, like I said, seeing a pretty strong move up in the green candles today. What does it mean? Well, ultimately, are we at the bottom? A lot of people are saying that SHIB is there. It hit the bottom. The RSI dropped to as low as 30, bounced off. You can see the RSI trending on the upwards now, up at 41.59. So we are seeing a definite move to the upside for SHIB. We also can check against the 200 moving day average. You can see it is just testing the 100 and broke the 200 very, very briefly and then came back down. So those are two big measures that we are looking at. All of that is bullish for SHIB, likewise for Bone. Now, what is everybody saying? Can Bone reach $100? Well, I think it's a pretty crazy statement right now, but what are the masses really talking about? We can see there the Bone crypto performance last 7 days up just under 1%, last month 1.6, but ultimately it is down now, 223% down on where it was last year. Shows you the absolute potential of what both hype and equally then real use case could do with Bone. Bone could go absolutely insane. So you can see there, furthermore, there's a launch of ShibaSwap native decentralized exchange, Shiboshis, and Shibarium, the layer 2, meaning Shiba Inu has diversified itself into various fields and has more utility in comparison to any other meme coin. And I do think that is important to reference, particularly when you're talking about Shibarium and how this is going to bring everything together under that umbrella to make sure that both it can offer cheap, fast, and safe transactions based upon their network. Now, it says, what is the primary use case of the Bone tokens? Governance token for ShibaSwap. We also have proposals for the ecosystem. Tokens used to pay the gas fee on Shibarium. It makes Shiba Inu deflationary as well as the Bone token. And Bone tokens can be staked by the validators to verify the process transaction and earn rewards. Now, remember, those rewards are going to come in treat. We haven't really got much of a view on that. We did actually see Leash moving up as well. Now, we don't really look at the price history, albeit you can see there we were up at $1.201. We've even been as high as $3.23, the top all-time high for Bone. But here is what people really want to know. Can Bone realistically reach $10? Can it realistically ring $100? Well, what are people saying? It says the launch of the Bone token reached its all-time high price of $3.23 November 21, when it grew by 4.1 times in just 2 months. Thus, Bone crypto grew by 2.07 in 1 month. Again, I think we are away from that extreme super cycle bull move. However, long term, the current market situation, liquidity and inflation is definitely not in the favor of the crypto market. Therefore, it cannot even reach the value at calculated time. Therefore, reaching $10 is going to be tough. Now, in the short term, absolutely, it's going to be a challenge. But long term, Bone, remember, it's going to become deflationary. Remember, if they really build utility launch projects on there, this could absolutely be a big player. What are people saying? Just so you know, again, none of this financial advice, understand exactly what people are talking about. But Bone prediction, 2023, $2.98, 25, $5.59, and Bone price prediction, 2030, looking into the future, they would have to build out a lot onto that network. $25.75. Absolutely insane potential. I think Bone definitely can be quite comfortably over $3. Depends how it launches, what they build on it, and ultimately, and the big question that everyone's asking right now is how much traffic is realistically going to use the Shibarium network. Remember, 1.2 million holders of SHIB. Definitely going to be interesting. But the positive news, we are going to get Shibarium. It is coming out this week. Now it's about the hard work. It's about the community doing it, and it's about people using their network. And that is not going to be easy. Will we see an aggressive marketing strategy coming out of SHIB? Potentially. Are we going to see people move over? Are we going to see applications build on there to challenge any new blockchain has? But hopefully we'll see that happen, and then we could really start to see some price movement in both SHIB and Bone. But we'll keep you up to date with everything going on in this ecosystem. So to do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, turn the notification bell on. Come and join us 4 p.m. Eastern every night live here on YouTube. As ever, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.